So sexy naman this girl. How to be you. Hi, Ate Reg. Ate Reg is my sister-in-law. She's the wife of my brother-in-law. Technically, kuya. Yun. So, thank you, Ate, for the compliment. How to be me. Well, you wanna be me kasi ang dami kong pinagdaanan at pinagdadaanan sa bawat araw-araw. Lahat naman tayo. Kaya, we don't want other people's lives. Lalo na nakikita lang naman natin is yung mga panlabas nilang buhay o kung ano yung gusto nilang i-share. Hindi natin nakikita yung mga difficulties, hindi natin nakikita yung mga struggles. And so, alam ko naman joke lang naman itong how to be you. But just a reminder na even though other people may seem to have a perfect life or may look like they're perfect, hindi. We all have struggles and we all have challenges in life. Ano bang klaseng buhay yan kung bubor lang din naman tayo at lahat pala kayang-kaya nating maniin, diba? But to make it worthwhile, sexy. For me kasi, I still feel sexy when I was around 200 pounds. And yes, I still feel sexy now that I'm around 120 pounds. But I guess the right word should be I'm more confident without faking it. Because I was just faking it since time immemorial. I mean, dinadaan ko siya sa angulo. Dinadaan ko siya sa magandang damit, sa mga fierce na look, sa mga makeups, sa mga mamahaling gamit, sa mga branded at luxurious brands. I'm trying to cope up or I'm trying to kung ano yung mga bagay na feeling ko wala sa akin, like I'm not as fit as what others, look like. So, bumabawi ako through makeup, through pagiging fierce, through angles, Right now, I take pictures without really bothering or checking if I look good or not. I just smile at the camera. I am already smiling. I feel like nawala lahat ng angst. At ang sarap ng feeling na together with losing a lot of weight, nakapagpatawad ako. Natuto akong magbigay, natuto akong mas magmahal, at natuto akong magpakumbaba. And hindi siya physical lang na pagbabago. I know that God is behind whatever is happening right now, and I'm just learning every time or every day of my life. And I must say na sexiness kasi is confidence. If you're not confident, kahit gaano ka pakapayat, you are not sexy. So as long as you can carry it well, and as long as you feel sexy and confident, you are sexy. Our mind could be a source of our sexiness. Our wisdom, our attitude, our hearts, how we treat other people could be sexiness. So it depends on the person who's looking at us. But thank you so much for the compliment. I hope na soon magpa-coach ka na sa akin because I'm really excited to coach my sisters-in-law, Ate Agot and Ate Reg, and of course other members of the family. I'm just so excited to help you out while I'm still not busy, because soon if I'm busy I won't be able to help you out. But yeah, I'm grateful and thankful for all the compliments. But at the end of the day, let us be reminded that we are all sexy. We all should be confident whatever our size is. We don't wanna think na pag payat ka dun ka lang sexy. No. I was sexy. I am still sexy. And at the end of the day, let's just love the life we have and take care of the bodies we have by eating well and eating properly. Huwag tayong magpagutom, huwag tayong masyadong ma-pressure and magbigay ng deadline sa pagpapayat. As long as we take it slow so that we will maintain and sustain it. Thank you so much for your time. Ate Reg, Ate Agot, I love you. I love you all. God bless you. Bye.